Are you one of those people who really want to make a difference in the lives of other people? Are you passionate about creating transformations? Do you want to help people become better versions of themselves? Then here is your chance. All you need to do is use the pre-created webinar kits to run successful webinars of your own. And trust me, they are guaranteed to give you amazing path-breaking results in your work. So what are they? These are pre-created webinar kits which are used by hundreds of people across the world. They are a gold mine of information that allows you to bring out extremely well-researched, well-structured content in a format that you can easily present to people around you. Now you have the power to create the same transformations as we do. So don't wait. Have a look at all the top-rated webinars and make a powerful difference yourself.